John 17 verse 6. I have revealed you to the ones who gave me from this world. They were always yours. You gave them to me, and they have kept your word. They were always yours. Hebrews 12 verse 9. Moreover, we have all had human fathers who disciplined us, and we respected them for it. How much more should we submit to the Father of spirits and live? Job 32 verse 8. But it is the Spirit in a person, the breath of the Almighty, that gives them understanding. John 4 verse 24. God is Spirit, and His worshippers must worship in the Spirit and in truth. John 14 verse 6. Jesus explained, I am the way, I am the truth, and I am the life. No one comes next to the Father except through union with me. To know me is to know my Father too. Because of Adam's fall into sin, Jesus from heaven had to become the mediator of our spiritual return into Father who is Spirit. Heavenly Father, thank you for Jesus, that you have given us as mankind unto Jesus, and us, by following Jesus, find our way back to the Father, our Father of our inner peace.